Hello and welcome. This is Sadhusman. In today's video, I am going to share with you the dynamic array formula called sort. If you want to refer to the basics of the dynamic array formula, just click on the link on the top right corner of the screen in which I have shared with you the basics. In this video, I am going to share with you the detail on the sort formula. In column A, we have got a list of names, and we want to sort these names in alphabetical order, or in ascending or descending, in alphabetical or the reverse. We can use the sort feature. If I click delete and reapply the formula, right, sort, and we're going to refer to the range of cells. And you can see now that we have only one mandatory argument here, but we are going to look into the other arguments as well. If I press comma, the sort index shows me from which column to sort. So we can leave it blank for the moment because we have only one column here. And in the next sort order, we can choose either ascending or descending. Let me select ascending, which is 1, and we can leave out the last argument for the moment. So enter. We can see that all the names are sorted in alphabetical order. This 1 can be changed to a -1, in which it will sort the names in the reverse order. We can refer this 1 or a -1 with the range of the particular cell. For example, over here in B5, and you can see in B5, if I select descending, it becomes -1, and the list is sorted accordingly. So we can use whether ascending or descending order in the sort formula. We have now multiple columns in this range of cells. We have first name, last name, and age, and we can sort the entire table based on our requirement, on our criteria. Let's hit delete and type sort. We can select the range of cells, and for the moment I'm going to just use ascending order and enter. You can see that the first names is now in the ascending order. If I change this to a -1, it will convert this into a descending order, and accordingly the remaining two columns will be updated automatically. For example, if I want to update or sort my table based on a specific field rather than the first name only, how we can do it? Let's delete here. And in this case, I want to sort my table based on the age, for example. So I will type sort, select the range of cells here. I will type the sort index will be 3, which is my third column. The age is the third column, not because it's in column C, but it's because it's the third column of my range of cells. Sort order is ascending. Let's put it descending because we want to have the highest age employees first, and then click bracket close and click enter. Hit enter, and then we can see that the table has been sorted in a descending order by way of by age. The sort formula can be applied on tables as well. So we have this range of cells in which the list of values are there, and it has been formatted as a table. The name of the table is sort.table, and we are going to use this table to sort the values. So let me delete and let me apply sort, and in this case, if I refer to the table, it's sort.table, and in this case the sort index is let's sort it by last name. So we say second column, and the sort index should be ascending, and that's all. And you can see the last name have been used to sort the tables. So this is how you can apply sort formula on the tables as well. If you were to sort the range of cells by columns or by rows, we have been doing it by rows. Now if we want to do it by columns, let's say we have a data of continent in different countries, in which Asia, Pakistan, China, Singapore, Europe, and so on and so forth. So we want to, let's say, sort the data based on columns instead of rows. So let's have, first of all, I have two arrays here. Let me get the arrays first. The continent. You can refer to the continents like that. Just select the range of cells and press enter. It will spill over into the adjacent cells. It is important to note that when we want to sort our data by columns, we can specify the same parameters as we did for sorting by rows. First, we need to specify and select the data. So in this case, I'm going to select this range of cells. Now we have to specify the sort index. The sort index refers to which column or row I want to sort my data on. So in this case, let's select the row number 2, which is France, England, and Germany. The sort order is ascending for the moment, and since the data is arranged in rows, I want to specify sorting by columns, so I will select true here. When I close the bracket and press enter, you can see that the data has been sorted based on the second row, which is England, France, and Germany. The data above the second row and the below are accordingly sorted. It is important to remember that when the data is arranged vertically, that is in columns, in which we did that in previous examples, we would like to specify sort by rows, or you can see that the option is true or false here. Either we can specify 1 or 0. But when the data is arranged in rows, that is horizontally, which is the current case, we would specify sort by columns, or we'll specify true, or we can also write 1 here. So in this case, we can see the data has been sorted according to our requirement. If I want to change this, let's say if I want to sort my columns based on the fourth row, which is Brazil, Chile, and Argentina. In this case, Argentina comes first, then Brazil, and then Chile, and accordingly all the data above is sorted. I can also specify the sort order as descending or -1. In this case, Chile, Brazil, and Argentina, and accordingly all the data above is sorted. So this is how you can do sorting in columns. In the last example over here, we have got again a range of cells here, and in this case I'm going to first apply a unique list of values here, and then I'm going to sort the unique list of values. Let me show you how it can be, the different formulas can be applied in unizing. Let me first apply a unique on this range of cells. So we've got a unique list of cells, and I'm going to now sort the unique list of cells over here. So either I can refer to this build range by selecting the first cell and pressing a hash key and hit enter. So we have got a sorted and a unique list of cells. We can do this two cells and two formulas, we can combine them together, and we can use, let's say, first sort a unique list and refer to this range of cells, and we can combine the unique and sort in one cell, and when we press enter, we have got the same result. So different formulas of dynamic array formula sets can be applied in Unizer. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.